Hey guys, my name is Mario and this is Lucy.
Hello.
We are here at the Peppers Seminyak in what I would say as their best villa. We are going to be creating a video for them, Lucy as the model, and we're going to get started right away. Whoa, sorry. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, yeah, we got it.
Okay.
I think we got it, but we're going to try again.
Okay.
Could you do like, it feels like this is a catwalk.
Okay.
Do you think you could do like some sort of more of a catwalk walk?
Yeah, sure.
All right,
I'll try
like
that.
it's like a catwalk
Okay.
instead of a villa. Just so I can see, just to see how it looks, right?
Okay.
Okay. We are gonna do shots number 2 and 3, where she's gonna be doing yoga by the pool, and then after that a massage in front of the garden to showcase what Peppers has to offer, and then move on to the next shot. This is the behind the scenes. For shot number 2, we placed the 2 mats in front of the pool because we want to show how beautiful and how big this villa actually is. One more.
Okay.
But I got it. Okay, just one more. Sama, orang yang saya perlu tuh pas lihat ke atas kedua itu, saya lewat. That's perfect. We had to move a lot of things, and on top of that, it was super hot. It's like 1 p.m., but we really needed this sunlight because up until now the weather hasn't been too good. It was Hannah's decision to shoot in broad daylight. It's so hot, but we have the final shot here where Lucy will be in the pool, as you can see here, with the floating breakfast. And then we're going to showcase a bit of the villa and then end the video. Let's get this started. So what I'm going to do is I need you to just scoot over just a little bit to the right. Just a bit more? Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Okay. So for the one shot, I decided to have a shot where we're gonna solely focus on the floating pool. I'm gonna go into the pool and Lucy will be sitting next to the pool, next to the floating breakfast, and then that's where I'm gonna make my one shot sequence. Lucy's ready and I need to get ready too. That was it for today's video. We got the one shot, we also had the hotel shot. What did you think? Did you enjoy this today?
It was such a great experience. I've never experienced anything like this before, so it was cool to see.
It was super fun. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.